Yep, it's working. You want to make cookies?
Cookies.
Okay, go get ready to make our cookies.
Cookies.
Yeah, get ready.
They're ready.
Yeah.
They're ready.
Okay.
They're ready.
It's working. Go ahead.
Mama.
Don't get me.
Grandma.
Okay, ready? Want to make cookies? Ready?
Cookies.
Okay, here we go.
There you go.
Tell Pepe what you're making.
Thank you.
Yeah, roll it up. Gotta roll it.
Do it.
Yeah.
We're making cookies.
We're making cookies. Who are we making cookies for? For Mommy and Daddy?
Nice.
Mama and Dada for the anniversary? Yeah, say anniversary.
A ball.
A ball, yeah. Ready? You want to roll one up?
We'll do it.
You want to do it? Yeah, you do it. You roll it into a ball. Go ahead, roll, roll, roll like this, like Grandma. Okay, and then put it in there. Ready? What are you making? Huh?
Baseball.
Oh, baseball? No, what are these going to be? Here,
Ball.
a ball, yeah. But it's a cookie.
Cookie.
Tell Pepe what you're making.
What are you making?
Hey, Pepe.
What are you making?
Making.
You making cookies?
Cookies.
Here you go.
Oh, you gotta roll it.
Roll her up. There you go. Ready? Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh. Does it have bones? Bones.
Bones.
Here you go.
There you go.
You're welcome.
There you go.
You're welcome. What are you doing?
Where you going? Gotta make more cookies.
How many do we have? Let's count them.
Let's up them.
Count them. 1. Are you going to count them for me?
That's it. What?
Oh, here we go. Here you go. Roll it up. Roll it. Yeah, wherever you want to put it.
Right there.
No.
You have to put it in the empty one.
Yep.
What are you making?
Roll it then.
Huh? What are these, cookies?
Cookies.
Making cookies. I know, I bet you can't wait to eat them. Okay.
It's the way there.
Okay, count them. How many do we have? Ready? 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
I don't think so.
Right
Gotta
there.
find the empty bowl.
No.
Find the empty one. I'm gonna find
Yep.
one. Here's another one.
Now it's done.
Want me to put it?
Put it.
Oh. Wow, these are a lot of cookies.
More cookies.
A lot of cookies.
More cookies.
Yeah. Tell Pepe what you're making.
Bacon.
Yeah, I'm making cookies.
Cookies.
Okay, ready?